Hello, welcome to my channel. Hey everybody, in this video we are going to learn how to use roundup in action. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. You can see here my value is shown in a decimal number, so I want to round up. So I like it could be 1 to 4 or 1 to 3. So for now this is more than 123, so I need 1 to 4. So how can we do it? We simply give equal to and round up. We'll write a round up and select the cell and we'll write here 0. This will round up and it will not show the decimal number. And for round down, we'll write here round down and we'll select this cell and write 0. It will give me 1 2 3 because it is so near about to that value, and this round up will give more and round down will give less near to this cell. So if you write instead of 0 you write if 1, then you will get 1 decimal. So if I write here 2 instead of 1, I will get 2 decimal. So as per your required, if you want the decimal, how many decimals you want from that cell, you can do that from this using this round up or round down values formula. So I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and I will see you in the next video.